Happy Thanksgiving, my lovely eco friends. I know that this is the day after, but that's because I'm showing you a leftover recipe. So if you have a lot of fresh cranberries remaining since yesterday, try out this savory and slightly tart cranberry fried rice recipe. It's the perfect way to use all of them up. My mom used to make something like this during this time of year whenever she could find cranberries at the grocery store, and I always loved it because it was a nice twist on the typical lemon rice or pulihara or pulihora or puliogre. So many different names as usual with Indian recipes, but that was a tamarind rice. And all of this is really great for Thanksgiving or Christmas or just the holiday season in general, especially with this cranberry twist. So let's get on to the ingredients. You're going to need spinach, cooked rice. Leftover rice is perfect for this dish. Fresh or frozen cranberries, hing or asafoetida, ground coriander, dry red chilies, or green chilies if you like it spicy as well, or you can use a mixture of both, cumin seeds, onion diced, olive oil, black mustard seeds, curry leaves, urad dal, chana dal, cilantro, and salt. In a deep skillet over medium flame, add in a little olive oil and your cranberries and a pinch of salt. Sauté them for a minute or two. Stir those around well so that they don't stick to the pan. If there's any kind of burning, just add a splash of water from time to time. And add in the chilies and cumin seeds. Add in the hing and coriander powder. Turn the flame to medium-low and keep an eye on it. It should take around 5 to 8 minutes to get nice and tender enough to just press it with your spatula. And it should really be mushy. You don't want them to be whole because if you are able to bite into it, it's going to be way too tart. So once they're tender, remove them from the pot. Time to make the tadka, or tempering. Now in the same pot, add some more of that olive oil, and you can actually add the rest of it at this step, and add in the black mustard seeds. And once they start to sizzle, add in your curry leaves, your chana dal, and then your urad dal. Let them fry up until they become nice and golden. If you're going to make this in a day in advance, make sure that you make the tadka fresh and sprinkle it on top of the rice. Otherwise, you can go ahead to the next step, which is adding in the spinach, let it saute and wilt. Now add in your cranberry mixture and rice. Add the rest of your salt and mix thoroughly to combine well. At this point, everything is ready to serve. I like to garnish it with some fresh cilantro and some roasted salted peanuts for some nice texture. Happy Thanksgiving and start of your holiday season. I hope that you can cherish your loved ones and spend time with them, because that's what the season is all about. Don't let the crazy allure of Black Friday ruin that for you. Make sure that you share this dish with someone special, and maybe make some roasted butternut squash soup as a side dish, and practice some slow living with your family and friends. So that's all I have to say for now. I'm going to go back to spending time with everyone, and you should too. Of course, after you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to it for more vegan Indian recipes. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. Till next time, eco friends. Bye!